John, it's not like that. Listen, let's talk this out. I'm coming in, okay? Jonathan! Son?
Leave me alone!
I'm your father. I can't leave you alone. Sorry, kid, it's in the contract.
No, seriously, Dad. Something's wrong with me. I'm a freak.
No, you're not a freak. You're no more a freak than I am.
Dad, you wouldn't understand.
Oh, I might.
My dad is Superman? Like, the Superman? This is the best birthday ever!
Was it just the heat vision, or was there something else?
I don't know.
Does he have X-ray vision? If he has X-ray vision, we can't send him to school. You know that, right?
I think it's just the heat vision.
You think? We need to know, Clark. This is serious.
So that means that I'm a superhero too, right? Like, does that mean that I get to join the Justice League and stuff? Do I get to meet Batman?
What are we gonna do? We knew this was a possibility. He wasn't lifting cars at 2 years old like you were, so I thought maybe it skipped a generation. Like, red hair.
Don't worry. I'll get him checked out. We'll see what's happening. It'll be fine.
Oh, no, can't fly.
Mostly fine.